Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
This slide explains the Surface Pen and its core features for new users. The pen offers 4:096 pressure levels and tilt for natural strokes. Attach the pen magnetically to the Surface Pro Edge to store it safely. Some Surface Pen models charge while attached to the device magnetically. To pair over Bluetooth, hold the top button for 7 seconds until the LED flashes. Then open Settings and choose Bluetooth and other devices to add the pen. Keep the pen tip clean and spare tips available in case of wear. This slide covers daily pen actions and shortcuts worth memorizing. Press the top button once to open OneNote quickly from the lock screen or desktop. Use the side button to right-click in apps or to trigger app-specific shortcuts when supported. Write naturally on the screen and tilt the pen to shade or create lighter strokes when drawing. Adjust pressure in apps that support it to get consistent line width and opacity. Double tap gestures vary by app, so check the app's pen settings for customization options. This slide explains maintenance, personalization, and quick troubleshooting steps for reliability. Find pen settings in Settings, then Devices, then Pen and Windows Ink to customize button behavior and handwriting options. Use the Surface app for firmware updates and fine-tuning of tilt and pressure response. Replace worn tips using the included tip remover and spare tips kit to preserve screen feel. If the pen disconnects, restart Bluetooth, remove and repair the device, or reinstall the Surface app. For persistent hardware issues, contact support or test the pen on another Surface Pro.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.